In this video, a springbok prances, we see a very fluffy tree, and an elephant balances on a wall. Hi guys, Donovan here, and I just want to thank you for stopping by and checking out what I think is the last video in our Johannesburg Zoo visit series. After this one there should be some more wildlife videos as we visit the reserve close to our home. But back to this video. There will be some more photos and footage from both me and my wife. Now let's get on with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wouldn't mind, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified about the next video. Also, leave a like and a comment below as I appreciate them all. Thank you for watching and keep taking photos. Cheers.